What if I told you that by this time next month, you could have an extra £1,000 sitting in your bank account? And no, I'm not talking about winning the lottery or selling a kidney. I'm talking about legitimate, proven methods that thousands of people across the UK and Canada are using right now to build real income from their living rooms. Look, I get it. The cost of living has gone absolutely mental. Whether you're trying to pay down debt, save for a house deposit, or just want some breathing room at the end of each month, that extra £1,000 can be genuinely life-changing. So today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can make an extra £1,000 per month from home, step by step. No fluff, no get-rich-quick nonsense, just real strategies that actually work. And stick around to the end because I'll share the one mistake that stops 90% of people from ever reaching this goal. Let's dive in. Before we get into the specific methods, let me give you some quick context. A recent study showed that over 40% of adults in the UK now have some form of side income, and in Canada, that number is growing every single year. The gig economy isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's how millions of people are taking control of their finances. Now, £1,000 per month might sound like a lot, but when you break it down, it's roughly £250 per week, or about £35 per day. Suddenly, it doesn't seem so impossible, does it? The key is choosing the right approach for your situation, your skills, and your available time. So I'm going to cover 5 proven methods today, ranging from quick wins to longer-term income streams. Let's start with the fastest way to see results. Method number 1, freelance your existing skills. Here's the thing most people overlook. You already have skills that someone out there is willing to pay for. And I'm not just talking about fancy qualifications. Can you write decent emails? Businesses pay for that. Are you good at organizing spreadsheets? That's valuable. Do you understand social media? Companies are desperate for help with that. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour are absolutely packed with opportunities. And specifically for those of you in the UK and Canada, there's also platforms like Bark and Freelancer that have strong local markets. Let me give you a real example. A virtual assistant handling basic admin tasks typically charges between £15 to £25 per hour. If you work just 10 hours per week, that's £150 to £250 weekly. Do the maths, and you're already hitting that £1,000 monthly target. The secret to getting started? Niche down. Don't just say you're a freelancer. Say you're a social media manager for local restaurants, or a bookkeeper for small e-commerce businesses. The more specific you are, the easier it is to stand out and charge premium rates. Method number 2, online tutoring and teaching. If you've got knowledge in any academic subject, language, or even a musical instrument, there's a massive market waiting for you. Platforms like Tutorful and MyTutor are huge in the UK, while in Canada, you've got Varsity Tutors and Wezant. And here's what's brilliant, you don't need a teaching degree. Many platforms accept tutors based on your proficiency and experience alone. The rates? English tutors typically earn £20 to £40 per hour. Maths and science tutors often charge £25 to £50 per hour. And if you're teaching English as a second language to international students, you can easily find clients willing to pay premium rates for native speakers. 1 hour per day, 5 days a week, at just £20 per hour? That's £400 per month from one income stream alone. Combine it with weekend sessions and you're well on your way to £1,000. Quick tip, record your sessions and note down common questions. Over time, you can create course materials that you sell separately, turning your one-on-one work into passive income. Method number 3, selling products online. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't have products to sell. But that's where you'd be wrong. Let's talk about 3 approaches. First, reselling. Charity shops, car boot sales, and Facebook Marketplace are goldmines for finding undervalued items. I know people who buy vintage clothing from charity shops for £5 and sell them on Depop or eBay for £30 to £50. That's a 500% markup, and you can do it in your spare time. Second, print on demand. Platforms like Printful and Printify let you create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without ever holding inventory. When someone orders, the company handles production and shipping. Your job is just marketing. A single good design can generate hundreds of pounds monthly. Third, digital products. This is my personal favorite. Create something once, sell it infinitely. Ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, Canva presets. The profit margins are nearly 100% because there's no physical product cost. One woman in Manchester started selling budget planning templates on Etsy for £4.99 each. She now makes over £2,000 per month completely passively. The template took her 1 weekend to create. Method number 4, content creation and the creator economy. Now, before you click away thinking this isn't for you, hear me out. Content creation isn't just about becoming a famous YouTuber or TikTok influencer. Writing Medium articles can earn you money through their partner program. Starting a niche blog with affiliate links can generate passive income for years. Creating a small YouTube channel about a specific topic you love can grow steadily over time. Here's the reality check though. This method takes longer to build. You probably won't hit £1,000 in your first month. But the compound effect is incredible. People who started small blogs 2 or 3 years ago are now earning thousands monthly whilst barely touching them. If you're patient and consistent, content creation offers something the other methods don't, truly passive income that doesn't require trading hours for pounds. For faster results, combine content creation with sponsored posts. Even micro-influencers with 1,000 to 10,000 followers can charge £50 to £200 per sponsored post on Instagram. 4 or 5 posts per month and you're hitting significant numbers. Method number 5, remote customer service and support roles. This one flies under the radar, but it's incredibly reliable. Companies across the UK and Canada are actively hiring remote customer service representatives. And I'm not talking about dodgy call centers. Major brands like Amazon, Shopify, and Apple all have legitimate work-from-home positions. The pay typically ranges from £11 to £18 per hour, with some technical support roles paying even more. Part-time positions of 15 to 20 hours per week are common, making this perfect as a side income alongside your main job. Websites like Indeed, Remote.co, and FlexJobs list these opportunities regularly. In the UK, also check Reed and Total Jobs. In Canada, the Government of Canada Job Bank has a specific remote work filter. The beauty of this method is the predictability. Unlike freelancing where income can fluctuate, these roles offer steady paychecks you can count on. Alright, now for that mistake I promised to share. The one thing that stops most people from ever earning that extra £1,000. It's analysis paralysis. People spend months researching the perfect side hustle, watching video after video, reading article after article, and never actually starting. They're waiting for the right time, the right circumstances, the right amount of free time. But here's the truth, there is no perfect moment. The people making extra income started before they felt ready. They picked one method, gave it a genuine try for 30 days, and adjusted from there. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be started. So let's recap. 5 proven ways to make an extra £1,000 per month from home: freelancing your skills, online tutoring, selling products online, content creation, and remote customer service. Pick one. Just one. Start this week. Give it an honest 30-day effort, and I promise you'll be closer to that extra income than you were before. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more practical money-making strategies. Drop a comment below telling me which method you're going to try first. I read every single comment and I'd love to hear your plans.